Hi guys, welcome back to episode of Owen Streets. For today's episode, I'm feeling under the weather. So I thought today we'd make hot cocoa dip. Super simple, super easy. So I thought this would be perfect for a day like today. And so with that, let's get into the video. And let's make this hot cocoa dip. So to begin, we have all of our ingredients. We have 1 jar or 7.5 ounces of marshmallow fluff. Then we have 1 container of Cool Whip, and we have this thawed from the freezer. 1/4 cup of Hershey's cocoa powder unsweetened. Then we have 2 tablespoons of mini marshmallows, and then we have graham crackers to serve with our dip. And I got myself a hand mixer, so electric hand mixer. And so I'm very excited to use this. We're going to be using this today. And it's going to speed up the process of mixing so much. So this will be featured more in future videos as well. Alright, so with that, let's start with our first step into making our hot cocoa dip. So for our first step, we're going to mix up our base for our dip. So I have our Cool Whip, our cocoa powder, and our marshmallow fluff. And I'm going to start with our marshmallow fluff. And we're going to use the entire can. And we're just going to scoop this into our bowl. Then we're going to take 1/4 cup of our Hershey's cocoa powder. We're going to scoop that into our bowl. Then we're going to take our entire container of Cool Whip, thawed, and we're just going to scoop that into our bowl, dividing it into sections so it can make it easier for our hand mixer to mix. Now we're going to take our electric hand mixer and we're going to mix this for 5 minutes until it's all homogeneous and it gets light and fluffy. And now that we're done mixing, it came out to be this nice light and fluffy mixture. I'm going to clean up my workspace and then we're going to move on to our next step before we're ready to serve. So for our last step, we're going to add in our mini marshmallows. So I have our dip here, our base. I'm just going to open these up. Now it said 2 tablespoons of marshmallows, but we can do like 1/4 of a cup. And we're just going to use our spatula, and we're just going to fold that into our dip. And we can top our dip with a few more marshmallows. For our last ingredient, we have our graham crackers here, and then what you want to do is you want to use these to dip into our dip. So this is the really easy hot cocoa dip. Only really takes 5 minutes. Really simple ingredients, and I know this is going to taste really amazing. I can't wait to try it with the graham cracker. With the upcoming of spring and into Valentine's Day as well, I'll have some really exciting videos coming out soon, so look forward to that. I just want to thank you guys so much for joining me in the episode, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye!